Hello and welcome to a new video tutorial. We have here a Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 2021 and we want to erase it and wipe all the data on it. If you forgot your password, your PIN pattern or whatever, you can use this method. First we need to turn off the phone. Once the phone is turned off, you just click volume up and power button at the same time, and you just press it and hold it. Volume up and power button. You hold it until you see the screen. Still hold it. Okay, it's restarting. You release the power button and you still hold the volume up button. Okay, then you get in the main menu. You go here on wipe data. You use volume up buttons and volume down buttons to navigate. Click wipe data, wipe all data and confirm. Data is wiped, back to main menu, reboot the system. Now the phone is erased and it will reboot and it will be brand new. No data on it. Okay, once restarted, you just follow all the steps to activate the phone. That's it.
Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.